Good morning, students. Today we will discuss chapter number 8, Introduction to Algebra. Okay, from book CPA, page number 126. Okay, so in the last lecture we have done what is algebraic expressions. Okay, so now today we will do evaluating algebraic expressions. Okay, evaluating. Suppose this is the table of expression, value of x, value of expressions. Okay, suppose we have x plus 2 expression. We have x plus 2. Okay, just for example, we have x plus 2. Now, value of x. Suppose we have value of x 3. Suppose. Okay. So this expression is here. I have told you yesterday this is variable. Okay. What is it? Sign of plus means expressions. Okay. And this is constant. Okay, bache? So this is algebraic expressions. So now if we have value of x, means we have three digit value of x, we will put instead of x, suppose here is the x plus 2, then put x equal to 3. Instead of x we will put 3, that means 3 plus 2, then there is 3 plus 2 equal to 5. So now we will convert, we have expressions, then we will take a value of x, then value of expressions will be the answer. Okay, but you understood? So now come on the exercise 8.1. Okay, so yesterday we have done first, second and third questions. So today we will do question number 4. Evaluate the following expressions when a is equal to 3. Question number 4, part A. We have the question number a plus 7. Okay, when a is equal to 3, it's given. Okay, bache? A is equal to 3, we have already given. So now put a is equal to 3. There is a question number 1 in equation 1. Okay, so now instead of a, we will put 3. Means a, instead of a, we will put 3 plus 7, the answer is 10. Okay, but you understood? So now question number B, 5a. 5a is the multiplications. Okay, bache? 5 is the coefficient of a. I have told you yesterday. Okay, bache? So now put a is equal to 3 in equation 1. So here is 5. Now a is means multiplications is 3. So answer is 15. Okay, understood, bache? So now come on the part question number 5. Write an algebraic expressions for each of the following statements. We have the statements, then we will convert into algebraic expressions. Okay, so question number 5, A part, we have the statement 12 plus the quotient of 7x by 10. Okay, 7x by 10. Okay, bache. So this is statements we will convert into algebraic expressions. I have told you yesterday 12 plus the quotient. 12 plus means adding. So firstly we will do 12 plus Quotient of 7x by 10. By means division. By means division. Okay बच्चे, 7x by 10 means 7x by 10, or we can write this 12 plus 7.10 into x. Both answers are same. Okay बच्चे, understood? So all things are same. If we have part B, no problem. Question number 5, part B, 3.5 is more than the product of x and 1/3. Okay students, so now 3/5 is more than the product of x and means multiplications, means we have x multiply 1/3 plus 3/5. Okay, so answer is x 1/3 plus 3/5. This is the answer. Okay students, understood बच्चे? So now come on the question number 6. Okay, 6. We have value of the following expressions when x is equal to 5. Then a part is 30 minus 2x. Now question number same as 4. We have given value, x is equal to 5. Okay, so instead of x we will put 5. So here is the one equation number. Put x is equal to 5 in equation 1. So now 30 minus 2 into 5. So now 30 to 5 10. 30 minus 10 is equal to 20. Answer. Okay बच्चे, instead of x, instead of a, instead of y, instead of each and every alphabets, we will put the value instead of that alphabetical. Then you will get the answer according to expressions, value of expressions. Okay, means evaluating algebraic expressions. Okay students, so now this is the last question of exercise 8.1. So I hope you have understood all the concepts. Thank you. Have a nice day.